Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. So today I wanted to record a different type of video just to show you a little bit of behind the scenes of my small business. You guys have been asking questions and stuff of what I do, so come with me and I guess day in the life of a small business candle business owner. Today is not much really going on. I am going to be recording some content, and I also have some emails that I have to send out. But before we do all of that, I have an order for my candle making kit that you can purchase right now at surinaromas.com if you haven't already. As I predicted, the Cotton Fresh is the best-selling scent right now, so get your hands on one of those before it sells out. This is all my equipment for it. Let's start packing this candle making kit. So now we got our kit all packed up. Gonna have to add it to a box and take it to shipping. Alright, order is packed. This one's going all the way to Georgia. I think this is my first time posting an order to Georgia. So now I am about to drop off the order and also record the content that I need to record. I am all packed up. I have so many things with me. I have my bag that has everything that I need for my content. I brought snacks and stuff. This is my tripod. Then we have the packages going out, and the car is all packed with everything that I need to make my content. Y'all, shipping is done, so next thing is just recording this content. I have to say that it is extremely hot out here. Like, oh my gosh, it's been raining nonstop. I don't know if you guys live in the DMV at all, but it's been raining every single day of the July month so far. Yesterday was the only day that it didn't rain, and now it's kind of cooled down, but it's still very hot. Now I'm about to be sitting in a field recording this, so wish me luck. Okay, see you guys soon. Alright guys, so I am now at the office about to edit the video that I just recorded and also send out some emails and print out some paperwork that I need to get done. And I wanted to have a quick chit chat with you guys about content editing, content creation, because a lot of people have been asking me information about that regarding their business, what they should do, what they shouldn't do, stuff like that. And to start, I would just say that there's no right or wrong way to make content when you're making it for your business. All I would say is that you just have to start. I'd say maybe make videos with what you're already doing. If you have a business where you sell products and you obviously have to make the products, maybe record yourself making the products, maybe give them a behind the scenes of how you put everything together, just so that your audience can connect with you and be able to understand the hands-on experience of having a small business. And also make content that you are already watching. Basically, if you're watching a lot of people on YouTube or on social media in general making, day in the life of, maybe you should make videos of that, but add a little twist to it and see how that plays with your audience that you're trying to target. I think a lot of us get into our heads about content creation. I know I did when I first started, but the more you do it, the more comfortable you get with doing it. And all you have to start with is just your phone. That's what I started with when I didn't have a camera and I didn't have all the stuff that I have right now. I wouldn't say just go ahead and invest into the best type of material first when you're beginning, because sometimes you don't really know if you're actually actually going to pursue this. So you don't want to waste your money. If you have a phone, just use that. The only issue that comes with that is that your phone will fill up so fast if you don't have two phones. Another question that I've gotten recently a lot from people is, how do I edit my content? I don't really have a specific way that I would say you have to edit your content. It's just you start editing and then you'll find the way that works for you, because not everybody's going to be creating the same type of content, which is what's really wonderful about that. You can make anything your own way of what you see fit for you and your audience. If everybody was making the same type of content in the same way, nobody would be watching anybody else. So just explore and see what exactly is going to work for you. All you have to do is press record that one day and then you'll get the hang of it. But right now I am about to edit the video that I recorded earlier, and I'm also gonna send out some emails, respond to some emails that I've been really slacking on responding to, and also print out some things that I need to print out and set up my plan for the rest of the month so we can have a successful rest of the year, okay? Because that's what we want, okay? So I just finished editing some things on my website so that I can be prepared for my upcoming launch of the new product that I'm going to be releasing. Stay tuned for that. And now what I'm going to do is print out a bunch of paperwork that I need for the next batch of candle making kit that I'll be making to restock everything that you guys have purchased so far. Again, I want to thank you guys so much for the support. I hope you guys enjoy making your own candles at home. I know that I really enjoy the process. It's like so creative and I love this business so much. So I appreciate you guys supporting every step of the way. But yeah, let's print out some paperwork. Okay, so it took a minute to figure out this printer. There was a lot of issues going on over and over again, but we figured it out. We printed everything that we needed to print out. Thank goodness. I have a few emails that I have to still respond to, but after that, I'm gonna call it a day and go home so that I can cook and eat and shower and get all of the filth off of me from today because it was so hot outside. It was crazy. If you made it this far in the video, I wanna thank you. I know it wasn't really much going on today other than maybe creating content and doing a lot of behind the scenes work that you guys are probably not used to, but it is part of a small business. I just wanted to show you guys a little bit of what I do throughout the day that's not just packing orders. I guess what you would call a boring type of vibe where I'm just working on my computer all day long and making sure that everything on my website is up to par. Everything that I need to do to restock is up to par. This is part of the business. That's the reality of it. Without doing this part, the business would not be running. So yeah, this is it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. And if you like this video or this style of content, let me know in the comments below. And if any of these resonates with you because you're a small business owner, let me know what the most boring part of your day is as a small business owner, because I know it can get extremely boring. But thank you for watching and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.